Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix TikTok is not letting you log into your account. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you're trying to log into your TikTok account, but it's not letting you do that, well, maybe it says that there's an error, or maybe it says a wrong password or a wrong username. So here, what we're going to do to fix this problem, so as you see here, we have use phone or email to log into your TikTok account. So you can tap on this option. And here you can type in your phone number or your email, and then you can log into your Instagram account. Here we're gonna go back. Also, if this doesn't work, then you can log into your TikTok account by using your Facebook account, or you can continue with Google. So you can try one of these two options. Now, if none of these things work, here potentially there's a bug in the app, and to fix this problem, we're going to go out from here and open up our settings. Now we're going to scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. This interface will appear, so now we're going to choose the second option, manage apps. Scroll all the way down and look for TikTok. And now tap on clear data, then clear cache and confirm. So this is gonna delay if there's any bugs in the app. Now we're gonna again open TikTok and then try to log in by entering phone number, email, username, and then enter your password. And that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.